You're watching Buck Outdoors Stormwater Solutions. Thanks so much for joining us. Today, we're going to be talking about the Permanent Maintenance Agreement. The Permanent Maintenance Agreement is a document that's been signed during the closeout of a construction site. This is when the graders, the developers, the general contractors are pulling off site and they're turning over that property to you as the property owner. Maybe you are expecting this to happen soon, or perhaps this has happened in the past, but during that time, you're signing a lot of documents. And one of those documents that kind of gets shoved under the stack and doesn't really get talked about, and we forget we signed it, is referred to as the Permanent Maintenance Agreement. This is a state contract that says that you as the property owner accept the responsibility of managing the infrastructure for the stormwater facilities. This includes pipes, ponds, any kind of swells, infiltration devices that are on the property. That is your responsibility. You are to make sure that it is maintained on a routine basis. Routine basis basically means that more than twice, but it's vaguely written because each pond is different, and the state's trying to give the local folks an idea that you have to enforce it according to that pond. But more than once a year, sometimes as many as 4 times a year. I've never seen a pond that needed to be mowed more than 4 times a year. It also includes the inspection. There's supposed to be an annual inspection on your pond. This is something that has not really been enforced in the past, but they're enforcing it now. In some counties, they are requiring you. South Carolina, Lexington County requires you to do your annual inspection, and there's a database that you're supposed to upload that to. That inspection must be done by a qualified person. In other counties, they just say a qualified inspection needs to be kept in your files, and if you're ever audited, they want to be able to look at that. So this permanent maintenance agreement, violations on it with fines, as well as other legal actions is the way it's worded in that permanent maintenance agreement. So you want to make sure that you as the property owner realize that you have accepted the responsibility, whether that's equipment, supplies, labor, that's all yours, according to the permanent maintenance agreement that you've signed at closeout. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment down below or contact us. We'd love to be a resource for you if you live in the South Carolina